Dwarbaguri Mandal Mahila Morcha executive meeting held. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News. Though the bugle of the upcoming MSc election are yet to be sounded, political activities and meetings are also slowly gathering pace across the hill districts of Karbi Anglong. And on Saturday, the third Dwarbaguri Mandal Mahila Morcha executive meeting was also held at Muniram Langni Auditorium Hall in Deitar. MSc and Forest Board Chairman Richard Togby also attended the meeting to encourage the BJP women wings. The meeting commenced with singing of Vande Mataram and was chaired by Dwarbaguri Mandal Mahila Morcha President Kache Singnarpi and its member Rohila Rongpipi introduced leaders and all guests present at the meeting. MAC and Forest Board Chairman Richard Togby attended the meeting as chief guest, and he was accompanied by VDC Chairman Sarkoy Rongpar, State Mahila Morcha member Deepti Gogoi, District Mahila Morcha General Secretary Rina Terangpi, Social Welfare Board Chairperson Kadom Terangpi, Mandal Secretary Daniel Terang, Dolamara Deitar Municipal Board Chairman, Ward Commissioners and others. The BJP Women Wing discussed matters related strengthening of party and mainly on strategies to ensure victory for the party in the upcoming MSc election. Mandal Secretary Daniel Terang during his speech said that MSc Richard Togby would get the party ticket and would get EM in the next term. Further, the Mandal Secretary said that unity of women holds key for any progress and the large presence of women members at the meeting are indication of BJP absolute victory in the upcoming council election. During his speech, VDC Chairman Sarkoy Rongpar lauded PM Narendra Modi, Assam CM Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma and CM Tuliram Ronghang for their able leadership in the central, state and KAC level respectively. He stated MSc Richard Togby, who won election in 2017 from independent party, had faced tremendous challenges for 2 years until 2019 when he joined with the BJP. Further, he stated that his sincerity and commitment towards serving the people was proven by bringing a total of 400 schemes, out of which 350 schemes have already been successfully completed despite severe nationwide lockdown in 2019. He concluded his speech urging the party wing members to put out all of their efforts to ensure victory for MSc Richard Togby in the upcoming MSc election. Meanwhile, State Mahila member Deepti Gogoi during her speech also lauded the work carried out by MSc Richard Togby and stated that Dwarbaguri has even outshined Bokajan, Borjan, Sarupathar and Deupari constituencies in terms of the developmental works being done. Expressing similar support and commitment from its wing members, the State Mahila member urged upon the women members to continue working for strengthening of party base in the constituency to secure massive mandates from the people of Dwarbaguri constituency. Speaking on the occasion, MSc and Forest Board Chairman Richard Togby said that victory of BJP is beyond any doubt and asserting that their party would continue to grow stronger and would be in power at the center, the state and council levels. The elected representative also the rival parties are against peace and that is the reason why they continue delaying the process of seeking solutions with ceasefire groups. He said September 4 is historic day and the people, especially new generation, would now be able to get greater opportunities and more secure future. The MEC also promised to award the women wings of 23 polling stations on securing massive victory for the party in the upcoming Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election. It may be mentioned that 20% rival parties, especially Congress and APHLC, were also given warm welcome by the BJP led by MEC Richard Togby at Deitar Forest IB. Arjison Rongpar's report from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live.
Come one, come all to the third Inter-Church Football Tournament come awareness program on addiction and human trafficking organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLF YD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Potaro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440.
The Borjan Zone of the Karbi Cultural Society had on Saturday inaugurated the reception committee to begin their preparations for the upcoming Jonal Karbi Youth Festival. The Borjan Cases Zone will conduct the one-day festival in Delhi Playground. With the annual JKYF approaching, the reception committee of Borjan KACS Zone is seen hurrying with the preparations. On Saturday, local MEC Longki Timong himself was present to open the committee's office. Among others who were present include VDC Chairman and Secretary of the RC Rajbu Teron, ex-VDC Chairman Babu Ingti, KSS member Dhon Singh Terang, Borjan KSS Zone President Jana Singh Teron and others. During the office inauguration program, the members informed that very soon a meeting will be called to form several subcommittees. With the COVID-19 protocol still being made mandatory for all forms of gatherings across the state, the upcoming edition of JKYF is also expected to be affected. However, the members have expressed the hopes that good numbers of audience and participants will come for the event. Vijay Rongpi from Delhi, Karbi Anglong Live. Under the initiative of the Pelangkro Risonimso Aterang and Karbi Students and Youth Council, Jaipong Area Council, a felicitation program was held on Saturday to felicitate the successful HSLC and HSSLC candidates. The event was held at Pelangkro LP School. The felicitation program was chaired by Pelangkro village headman Dorsing Kro, while Bikram Kro introduced and welcomed the guests. Among the guests who attended the program were KSYC AGS Jivan Bay, Sarbamon Tiso, Dewri Harsing Togbi, Samilangso Block Ramsevak Borsing Kro, local teacher Dilip Singh Kro, Jaipong Lems member Hemari Togbi and others. Several villagers and students were also present in the program. Headman Dorsing Kro informed that altogether 8 students have passed HSLC and 3 students cleared the HSSLC exam from the village this year. The successful candidates were felicitated by the guests who attended the meeting. Organizers of the program informed local media that the felicitation was conducted to encourage the students to work harder in life and also to share their ideas and knowledge. The guests and elders urged upon the young students to be consistent in their studies, as it is the only way to succeed in life. They also appealed the parents to support their children in studies and also say to it that they do not go astray in their path. KSYC leaders appealed the students to stay safe from online activities and devote more time to physical activities.
Non-stame ukimia tumanganu sing cipaduk ke kanangchot athema cipaduk te lepang te jikuna kam stame tum success se tum apolong nang ili putang te itum kanangchot bang cipaduk industrial kuri bolai cipaduk pikna la nonan pa cipaduk karela athena no din ka competition nona eche bangke no ma kai bangke competition na eche cipaduk mane are competition mane plak cipate nang first division mani letar ko distinction oda ke stress ke long ita la puloje nang nong se ke porion se division nong savir bodang ta ke no hokta se society long mission mesam society long ke kita long dei
Sarpang Ring Tigathar from Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live. And those who had the stories for this morning, thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Stay safe and have a great day.